이거 어떻게 푸는지 알아? Do you know how to solve this? Do you know how to solve this? 오늘 시험 정말 어려웠어. The test was really hard today. The test was really hard today.
너는 어떤 고등학교에 갈 거야? Which high school are you going to? Which high school are you going to? 선생님이 우리 반 칭찬하셨어. The teacher praised our class. The teacher praised our class.
이번 방학에는 뭘 할 거야? What are you going to do this vacation? What are you going to do this vacation?
팀 프로젝트는 언제 시작해? When does the team project start? When does the team project start? 우리 내일 과제 발표해야 해. We have to present our project tomorrow. We have to present our project tomorrow.
너는 어떤 직업을 갖고 싶어? What job do you want to have? What job do you want to have?
너는 왜 그게 재미있다고 생각해? Why do you think that's fun? Why do you think that's fun?
내 생각에는 이게 더 나아. I think this is better. I think this is better. 이 주제에 대해 좀 더 알아볼래? Do you want to learn more about this topic? Do you want to learn more about this topic? 너는 이 수업이 어렵다고 생각해? Do you think this class is difficult? Do you think this class is difficult?
우리 동아리에 가입할래? Do you want to join our club? Do you want to join our club? 이건 정말 공평하지 않아. This is really unfair. This is really unfair. 나는 다음 시험에서 더 잘할 거야. I'm going to do better on the next test. I'm going to do better on the next test.
그 영화는 정말 감동적이었어. That movie was really touching. That movie was really touching. 나는 영어 공부가 너무 어려워. I find studying English really hard. I find studying English really hard.
네가 제일 좋아하는 스포츠는 뭐야? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? 과학 실험이 왜 중요한지 알아? Do you know why science experiments are important? Do you know why science experiments are important? 나는 기술 수업에서 로봇을 만들었어. I made a robot in tech class. I made a robot in tech class.
우리 학교에 새로운 친구가 전학 왔어. A new student transferred to our school. A new student transferred to our school. 너는 어떤 음악을 좋아해? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? 나는 이번 프로젝트에서 발표를 맡았어. I'm in charge of the presentation for this project. I'm in charge of the presentation for this project. 역사 시간에 배운 게 정말 흥미로웠어. What we learned in history class was really interesting. What we learned in history class was really interesting.
너는 왜 그거를 그렇게 했어? Why did you do it like that? Why did you do it like that? 네가 수학 문제를 풀 때의 방법을 알려줄래? Can you show me how you solve math problems? Can you show me how you solve math problems? 나 혼자 공부하는 게 더 좋아. I prefer studying by myself. I prefer studying by myself.
오늘 동아리 활동이 있지? We have a club activity today, right? We have a club activity today, right? 난 축구팀에 들어가고 싶어. I want to join the soccer team. I want to join the soccer team. 너는 그 책을 왜 좋아해? Why do you like that book? Why do you like that book?
나는 내일 발표 준비가 걱정돼. I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow. I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow. 우리는 이번에 새로운 수학 단원을 배워. We're learning a new math chapter. We're learning a new math chapter. 내가 잘못해서 미안해. I'm sorry for making a mistake. I'm sorry for making a mistake.
이게 정말 효과적일까? Do you think this will really work? Do you think this will really work? 우리는 언제까지 이 프로젝트를 끝내야 해? When do we have to finish this project? When do we have to finish this project?
넌 그 게임을 어떻게 이겼어? How did you win that game? How did you win that game? 나는 미래의 과학자가 되고 싶어. I want to be a scientist in the future. I want to be a scientist in the future. 이게 나한테는 정말 중요한 일이야. This is really important to me. This is really important to me.
다음 주 시험을 준비해야 해. I need to study for next week's test. I need to study for next week's test. 너는 어떻게 그렇게 빨리 배웠어? How did you learn that so fast? How did you learn that so fast? 우리 반 친구들과 자주 어울리니? Do you often hang out with your classmates? Do you often hang out with your classmates? 이번엔 내가 네 말을 들어줄게. This time, I'll listen to what you have to say. This time, I'll listen to what you have to say.
다음 주에 있을 대회에 나갈 거야? Are you going to enter the competition next week? Are you going to enter the competition next week? 이 문제를 해결하는 방법을 알 것 같아. I think I know how to solve this problem. I think I know how to solve this problem. 이 단어의 의미가 뭐야? What does this word mean? What does this word mean?
나 오늘 늦잠 잤어. I overslept today. I overslept today. 이번 주말에는 친구랑 같이 놀기로 했어. I'm hanging out with a friend this weekend. I'm hanging out with a friend this weekend. 난 이 과목에서 최고 점수를 받을 거야. I'm going to get the highest score in this subject. I'm going to get the highest score in this subject. 내 장래 희망은 엔지니어가 되는 거야. My dream is to become an engineer. My dream is to become an engineer. 넌 이번 학기 성적이 어떨 것 같아? How do you think your grades will be this semester? How do you think your grades will be this semester?
이번 과제는 정말 어려워. This assignment is really tough. This assignment is really tough. 우리 반 친구들은 다 친절해. Everyone in our class is really kind. Everyone in our class is really kind. 난 발표할 때 긴장돼. I get nervous when I present. I get nervous when I present. 너는 친구들과 잘 어울리는 것 같아. You seem to get along well with your friends. You seem to get along well with your friends. 난 혼자서도 이걸 해낼 수 있어. I can do this on my own. I can do this on my own.
이 과제를 언제 끝낼 계획이야? When are you planning to finish this assignment? When are you planning to finish this assignment? 오늘 배운 내용이 정말 유익했어. What we learned today was really helpful. What we learned today was really helpful. 다음 달에 학교 축제가 열려. The school festival is happening next month. The school festival is happening next month.
내가 이 책을 다 읽으면 빌려줄게. I'll lend you this book once I'm done reading it. I'll lend you this book once I'm done reading it. 나 내일 과학 발표 준비를 해야 해. I need to prepare for my science presentation tomorrow. I need to prepare for my science presentation tomorrow. 이 공식이 어떻게 작동하는지 설명해 줄래? Can you explain how this formula works? Can you explain how this formula works? 이번에 우리는 팀 활동을 해야 해. This time we have to do a team activity. This time we have to do a team activity. 이건 정말 중요한 결정이야. This is a really important decision. This is a really important decision. 너는 어제 그 사건에 대해 들었어. Did you hear about what happened yesterday? Did you hear about what happened yesterday? 이 문제는 우리 둘이 힘을 합쳐야 할 것 같아. I think we need to work together on this problem. I think we need to work together on this problem.
난 내일 이걸 선생님께 제출해야 해. I need to submit this to the teacher tomorrow. I need to submit this to the teacher tomorrow. 네가 오늘 축구 경기에서 득점했잖아. You scored a goal at the soccer game today. You scored a goal at the soccer game today.
난 이제 이 문제를 이해했어. I finally understand this problem now. I finally understand this problem now. 우리는 이걸 완벽하게 해내야 해. We need to do this perfectly. We need to do this perfectly. 내가 가장 좋아하는 과목은 사회야. My favorite subject is social studies. My favorite subject is social studies. 내년 주말에 뭘 할 계획이야? What are you planning to do this weekend? What are you planning to do this weekend? 이건 꼭 선생님께 물어봐야 할 것 같아. I think we need to ask the teacher about this. I think we need to ask the teacher about this. 나는 이 문제를 정말 이해하고 싶어. I really want to understand this problem. I really want to understand this problem. 우리는 이걸 계획대로 할 수 있을 거야. We can do this according to plan. We can do this according to plan. 너는 어떤 책을 추천해 줄 수 있어? Can you recommend a good book? Can you recommend a good book? 난 너와 이 문제를 논의하고 싶어. I want to discuss this problem with you. I want to discuss this problem with you. 넌 이번 시험에 대해 자신 있어? Are you confident about the upcoming test? Are you confident about the upcoming test? 우리 오늘 오후에 같이 공부할까? Should we study together this afternoon? Should we study together this afternoon? 이번에 배운 것들이 정말 유용해. What we learned this time is really useful. What we learned this time is really useful. 내가 이거 기억할 수 있을지 모르겠어. I don't know if I can remember this. I don't know if I can remember this. 이거 다시 한번 설명해 줄래? Can you explain this to me again? Can you explain this to me again? 우리는 꼭 이걸 끝내야 해. We must finish this. We must finish this. 이번 학기에 새로운 것을 많이 배웠어. I learned a lot of new things this semester. I learned a lot of new things this semester. 다음에 우리 팀을 좀 더 준비시켜야 해. Next time, we need to prepare our team better. Next time, we need to prepare our team better. 이건 정말 흥미로운 주제야. This is such an interesting topic. This is such an interesting topic. 너는 졸업 후에 뭘 하고 싶어? What do you want to do after graduation? What do you want to do after graduation? 이 문제를 해결할 방법이 있을 것 같아. I think there's a way to solve this. I think there's a way to solve this. 이번 주말에 가족과 함께 캠핑을 갈 거야. I'm going camping with my family this weekend. I'm going camping with my family this weekend. 네가 이 문제를 풀 수 있을 거라고 믿어. I believe you can solve this problem. I believe you can solve this problem. 이거 한번 해볼래? Do you want to give this a try? Do you want to give this a try? 이번에 너한테 정말 감사해. I'm really grateful to you this time. I'm really grateful to you this time. 다음 학기엔 더 열심히 공부할 거야. I'm going to study harder next semester. I'm going to study harder next semester. 난 이 수업에서 최고 점수를 받고 싶어. I want to get the highest score in this class. I want to get the highest score in this class. 나는 더 큰 목표를 세웠어. I've set bigger goals for myself. I've set bigger goals for myself. 넌 이 책의 주제가 뭔지 알겠어? Do you understand the theme of this book? Do you understand the theme of this book? 이번엔 내가 실수를 했어. I made a mistake this time. I made a mistake this time. 나는 새로운 도전을 하고 싶어. I want to take on a new challenge. I want to take on a new challenge. 이건 정말 까다로운 문제야. This is a really tricky problem. This is a really tricky problem. 우리가 함께하면 더 잘할 수 있어. We can do better if we work together. We can do better if we work together. 이번 기회는 정말 중요해. This opportunity is really important. This opportunity is really important.